Hello English literacy students. In this video I'm going to go over the narrative elements guided notes check assignment. This is the second part of this. You're going to check blanks 19 through 39. So in order to do this you're going to need your guided notes open. Remember that was posted back on 10/22. The guided notes are right here. Open this up in one tab. At this point you should have both pages completely done. If you don't, go back to yesterday's assignment and finish that up. And then when you're ready, you can open up the Notes Check Google form. This is what we've used in the past. Couple of important reminders here. Remember, when you fill this in, don't capitalize anything. Even if you have the right word, it will still count it wrong. And then remember, this is an assignment that you can do and redo as many times as you need to check them all. So you're going to type your answers in for each blank. I'm in the wrong place here. You're going to type your answers in for each blank here, and then you can check them. The nice thing about this form, remember, go back and forth. This is 19, 20, and these are the numbers that you're looking for, by the way. There are some other numbers on this page, so be careful. The number right after the blank is the one that we want. So right here, this one has a 1 by it, but that's just because that's the first stage of plot. This blank is actually number 22. This one is number 23, and so on. Make sure that you fill in all of the answers here and then submit. Even if you're not done, you can check along the way, turn in what you have, and then this will open up with this screen. You can view your score. It will open a new window and it will show you which ones you got right and wrong. Then you can go back here and click edit your response and change the answers that you have missed in there. I want to draw your attention to a problem with this form that someone drew my attention to. Look closely at stages 2 and 4. You will notice in your notes that the answer to both of these stages is a 2-word answer. However, I made a mistake when I created this form. I put 2 words in by number 2, by stage 2, but I only put 1 blank in by number 4. So that means that your answer for number 2 should have the words separated, 1 word there and 1 word here. And your answer for number 4 should have both words in 1 blank. To help you do that correctly, I did include a note on here. 23 and 24 are each 1 word, and they go together. So put the first word there and the second word here. Blank 26, you want to have 2 words in your answer with a space in between them. Obviously, the answer is not 2 words. But you should be able to find those in the notes. If you have any trouble with that, please connect with me during our Google Meet, and I will be glad to help you with it. When you're done with this assignment, and by done, I mean you should have 100% of the points possible, so keep working on it and keep going back to those videos if you need to. Then you can turn in the narrative elements guided notes. You will see that has a due date on it. Again, that was posted on 10/22. Come down to the narrative elements guided notes assignment and click on turn in, and you will be done with that. This is a really important assignment. In the near future we will have a notes quiz in which you're allowed to use your notes to take a quiz on the narrative elements, and if you have complete and correct notes you are much more likely to do well on that quiz. It's going to be really important with the end of the quarter coming up. Good luck on this, and like I said, contact me right away. Join our Google Meet if you have any questions.